Hi guys, it's Ray. I know I've been AWOL for the last week or so. It's just been crazy busy. I have a ton of stuff to finish up to show you guys, and I have a bunch of new stuff, some replacements of old stuff. I've gotten some new Alumilite resin dyes back in finally. These ones are packaged differently, but I do believe they're the same as my original ones that I am about out of. I got some straw topper molds in, so I'm gonna have to get some of these poured and figure out how to attach them, how they work. There are possibly two different styles, or I use these pieces for these ones. I don't know, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But the sunflower one is cute. I want to do another sunflower vinyl wrap tumbler and maybe make that to go with it. I bought a big batch of these needle tip bottles so I can try some mica hulls on a tumbler. And I got in my LMNOP monthly box, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Because I hadn't gotten to that yet. I think the theme of this one was Galaxy. I can't remember. So this one's probably not available as a set. But this was the small box. I didn't have the large left when I ordered this one. So we'll see what's in here. A beautiful purple called Milky Way. Another purple holographic called Nebula. Let's see. A black and silver holographic called Outer Space. That one's pretty cool. A smaller purpley holographic called Asteroid. And this kind of coppery red called Comet. So those are the 5 glitters from this box. Let's see what the mold is. There's also a little bit of glow mica, yellow to green. So I think that's like the glow powder I've been using. This mold is wrapped in saran wrap. So I'm going to try and get it out of there without wrecking the mold to see if I can see what it is. It looks like a little alien riding a surfboard, maybe. Kind of cute. Don't know what I'd use it for, but we'll see. So that is my LMNOP Design Boutique monthly box. I don't have another one of these ordered. I think the August box had 2 choices. It was like Halloween stuff or fall. And I don't know if there's any of them left because I didn't get them ordered. So this will be the last one of those for at least a couple of months. And I also got, and these are smaller than I intended, these little acrylic beads. I want to do the little ducky cups. I don't know if you've seen them going around. But, so I have an assortment of acrylic beads, and this is going to be a topper. I'm just going to close the lid. I would obviously remove the lid. So I'm going to have to order some more beads, some bigger beads, because I am probably only going to get like 2 toppers out of these beads. But I will, obviously these ones wouldn't be here in the finished product, but I'm going to use the beads as bubbles. And then I got these super cute little rubber duckies, so I'd probably put like 3 of the little duckies per lid, I think. So that'll be that. I will hopefully get to that soon. So that's all I have to show you that's new. And we will take it from there. I forgot real quick. I also bought a bunch of rhinestones and some liquid fusion to start a rhinestone tumbler for myself. So there will be video for that coming eventually. That's going to be a long-term project, I think. And I bought some of the Glow Max glow in the dark spray paint to try this stuff gets mixed reviews, but I want to try it as an alternative to the glow powders for some of the glow tumblers, because we're getting into that season where I'll be making more of those. So I am going to go ahead and get this tested on a tumbler sooner rather than later. So that is it. Again, I do have a bunch of stuff to get finished up, including patina tumblers, and hopefully I'll be able to get to some of that today for you and get the videos released as we go along. This is another patina tumbler, so I'll have video of this coming hopefully in the next couple days. But I am here, I am back, I am going to be working and trying to get caught up on everything. So keep your eyes out for a new video soon.